What's up, guys? How we doing? Today we're going to talk about what is a dummy round. So first off, what is a dummy round? Dummy round is a completely inert, uncharged, unprimed replica of your round, essentially. As far as in terms of reloading, it's simply used to set into your shell holder, and when you're setting up your seating die, you can kind of raise that into your RAM and have it set to the proper depth without having to fight up and down and try and chase your overall length back and forth until you get that set up. Here are a few of my dummy rounds I have for some loads that I've done throughout time. Here's some 9mm. We've got 115 grain berries and 147 grain berries, followed with a 38 special hollow soft point there. Then we've got a 357 SIG I was helping a buddy out with, followed by some 223 loads. We've got a 55 grain full metal jacket with a cast load right next door, another 55 grain flat nose. And then we've got a 75 grain boat tail hollow point from Hornady. After that, I've got a couple 300 blackout loads. We've got the 125 grain Spear TNT. Followed by that is the 150 grain Spear total metal jacket. The 180 grain boat tail soft point. Those things really hit like a truck on the steel. Next is my own cast load for the 300 blackout with the Lee 312 155. Then we've got the Lee 309 230 for some subsonic loads. I could never get those things to fly. Now we've got some 308 stuff. Here are those same 309 230s, but in 308. I was using some Shooter's World Precision and getting some hits at about 400 yards with those a couple weeks back. Those are pretty fun. But I've since returned that rifle to its owner, and I'm out of the 308 game for now. But over here, we've got some 150 grain soft points, or I think those are their interlocks, actually. And then that's the Lee 312 155 again that we had in the blackout. Moving right along, here's some 350 Legend with the Lee 358 200 flat nose. I'm using that same one over here with the 35 Remington, the 358 200 flat nose again. Here is a 358 125. I've used that with some 9mm and 38 special as well. I was just loading those with some Trail Boss, and those are super fun loads right there. And then this is the 125 grain XTP in 35 Remington as well. And so aside from just having something that you can use to set up your seating die with easily while you're loading, say you were out training and you had your 30 round magazine, you want to practice clearing malfunctions, you can throw, get 4 or 5 of these loaded in your magazine randomly with the rest of your ammo. And as you're doing your drill, you get a click instead of a bang, to just clear it and move on and keep going. Another thing you could do would be to test your magazines. Maybe you've got one with a weak spring or something. You want to cycle some through your action to see if one will kind of fail or get caught up. That's another good thing they're for. So that's all for today. Just a quick short video there telling you about another set of tools you can add to your bench and also into your range bag for some extra practice. Stay safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.